Greetings, you are now starting the pros and cons of war. This is lesson 1 in unit 2, the things they carried. Start by getting started, looking at this video and this picture to think about the question, is war ever justified? That will be the ultimate goal in the end for this entire unit. As far as direct instruction goes, you want to make sure to download a graphic organizer before reading. This actually talks about the pros and cons of war, and you will actually do a KWL chart. What you already know, what you want to learn, and then at the end you'll put in what you did learn from your research. For this particular lesson, you do not have to keep this going throughout the entire unit. You will upload this in your journal reflection at the end. Next, you have instruction. You have 2 videos to watch. The Things They Carried summary and actually Tim O'Brien 20 years after writing his novel. Since you were supposed to read the entire novel, The Things They Carried, for your summer assignment, the summary should just be a reminder about what happened in the novel. Here's your graphic organizer for your reading. Again, this is specifically for The Things They Carried. The first vignette, you're going to go through the characters, the items they carried, what each item represents, and maybe a little bit of analysis about the character. This you will also upload to your journal. So think about how many things you'll be submitting in the journal at the very end. And then you have a reading assignment. You can use your novel if you have it. You can click on one of the links below. It is only the one vignette from the novel, 26 pages for you to review. Going into your collaborative learning, you have a first discussion talking about what would you carry. There's a nice little video, the song War by Edwin Starr. You want to look at that as well. And remember about your replies, you want to do 2 and then focusing mainly on the items that the person talked about. The second discussion, this one is actually talking about the novel itself and about the draft. So thinking about being a high school senior, young adult, and about decisions. So your initial post is a 2-paragraph mini essay, 2 paragraphs, like about 5 to 7 sentences each. Be sure that you read everything before you submit it, and again reply to 2 people, again looking at the instructions. Moving into your independent activities, you have vocabulary practice like normal. Then you have a note-taking graphic organizer for your web quest. This is the very start of the web quest. You are going to be focusing on the pro of war research. You want to do some research. There are links within the web quest that should help you with that research. Again, this is just instruction telling you you are focusing on the pro part of the web quest. You're not attempting to do the entire web quest in 1 week. You're just doing one portion. When you get to this link, when you click here, you will see that it actually takes you out to a new tab. This is where you are going to do the task, and it talks about the research and about pro-war. You do have some tasks in here, so make sure you read carefully and ask questions as needed. After going through all of that, taking your notes, looking at the web quest, you do have the assignment. This is where you will upload your 2 tasks from the web quest. In addition, you will upload your note-taking organizer from the web quest. That includes the research. Remember, we talked about it in class that the research is going to be used at the end for your essay. However, you can also take some of that research and include it in the task that you are trying to accomplish. So again, you have an overview here, what you should be uploading, and there is the rubric on how you will be scored. Notice the point total. Last but not least, you do have a journal reflection. There are 2 prompts here. Make sure that you are answering both of them and that you're uploading 2 different graphic organizers from the direct instruction. And last but not least, you do have a very short lesson quiz, but it is worth 18 points. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to contact your teacher. Thank you.